Deer vehicle collisions are a significant issue, particularly in areas where deer populations overlap heavily with road networks. These incidents result in substantial economic costs, injuries, and sometimes fatalities. Here's a detailed look at the magnitude of the problem and potential remedies. Magnitude of the issue. Frequency. Annually, there are over 1 million deer vehicle collisions in the United States alone. This represents a widespread challenge, particularly in rural and suburban areas where deer habitats are encroached upon by expanding road networks. Collisions peak during the fall, October to December, coinciding with the deer mating season, rut, and migration patterns. During this time, deer are more active and less cautious, leading to increased roadway crossings and, consequently, accidents. Economic impact. The average cost of a deer-related collision is estimated at around $4,000. This figure includes vehicle repairs, medical expenses, towing, and carcass removal. Total economic impact exceeds $4 billion annually in the U.S., making it a significant burden on individuals, insurance companies, and local governments. Secondary economic effects include delays caused by accidents and costs related to emergency response services. Safety concerns. Deer vehicle collisions lead to approximately 200 fatalities and tens of thousands of injuries each year in the United States. Motorcyclists are at particularly high risk, as collisions with deer often result in severe injuries or fatalities due to the lack of protective barriers. Collisions can also cause secondary accidents, such as drivers swerving to avoid deer and hitting other vehicles or objects. Environmental and wildlife impact. Roadkill from these collisions contributes to the loss of wildlife, affecting local ecosystems and biodiversity. Over time, deer populations can become habituated to human presence and activity, increasing the likelihood of collisions as they adapt to grazing near roadways and crossing roads frequently. Remedies. 1. Infrastructure solutions. Wildlife fencing. High fences along highways and roads can reduce deer vehicle collisions by up to 90%. These fences are particularly effective when used in conjunction with wildlife crossings, guiding animals to safer crossing points. Wildlife crossings. Overpasses and underpasses designed specifically for animals to cross roads safely have shown success worldwide. These structures reduce wildlife vehicle collisions while maintaining habitat connectivity for animals. Reflectors and warning signs. Reflectors placed along roadsides reflect vehicle headlights, deterring deer from crossing. Flashing warning signs activated by motion sensors or time-of-year indicators can alert drivers in high-risk areas. Roadside vegetation management. Clearing vegetation near roads improves visibility for drivers and reduces the attractiveness of roadways for deer, which often feed on vegetation close to highways. 2. Technological innovations. Deer detection systems. Systems using thermal imaging, infrared cameras, or motion sensors can detect deer near roadways and activate warning systems for drivers. Driver assistance technologies. Modern vehicles equipped with advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, such as automatic braking, collision warnings, and night vision can help mitigate or prevent deer-related accidents. 3. Policy and community-based solutions. Hunting regulations. Adjusting hunting quotas in areas with overpopulated deer can help control deer numbers, reducing the risk of collisions. Public awareness campaigns. Educational campaigns to inform drivers about high-risk periods and areas can improve vigilance and preparedness. Flyers, billboards, and online advertisements can raise awareness effectively. Vehicle insurance policies. Encouraging comprehensive coverage for wildlife-related accidents ensures drivers are financially protected, promoting responsible driving habits in high-risk areas. 4. Behavioral measures. Driver awareness. Drivers should reduce speed in deer-prone areas, particularly during dawn and dusk when deer are most active. Use of high beams. High beams can improve visibility, making it easier to spot deer on or near the road. Avoid swerving. Swerving to avoid a deer can lead to more severe accidents. If a collision is unavoidable, braking in a straight line is safer than attempting evasive maneuvers. 5. Research and monitoring. Continuous monitoring of collision hotspots can help identify areas where interventions are most needed. Collaborations with wildlife experts can provide insights into deer movement patterns, aiding in the design of effective solutions. Research into new technologies and methods to deter deer from crossing roads can further reduce collision rates. Conclusion: deer vehicle collisions are a complex issue requiring a multifaceted approach. By combining infrastructure upgrades, technological innovations, public awareness efforts, and sound policy measures, communities can significantly reduce the frequency and impact of these incidents. Effective solutions not only save lives but also protect wildlife and reduce economic burdens.